In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Gmail account. Backing up your Gmail is an important task to ensure that all your emails and data are safe and accessible, no matter what happens to your Google account. Let's dive into the process and make sure your information is secure. First, you'll need to access your Google account. Open up a web browser and log into your Gmail if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on your profile picture, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the main management page for your account, where all the control options for your personal settings, security features, and data management tools are located. Next up, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Data and Privacy. This section houses all the tools you'll need for managing your data, and it's here where you can access Google Takeout, which is Google's handy tool for downloading copies of your data. As you scroll down this section, you'll come across the Download Your Data option. This is your gateway to backing up your Gmail, so click it to head on over to Google Takeout. Google Takeout allows you to download data from all Google services, but since we're focusing on Gmail, here's what you need to do to make sure you're only backing up your emails. Initially, Google Takeout selects all services by default. We don't want to download everything, just our emails. So deselect all of them first. Simply click Deselect All, which will uncheck every service. Now, scroll down to find and select only the Mail option to ensure you are creating a backup solely for your Gmail account. Once you've selected your data, click the Next Step button. Here, you'll configure your export settings. This is an important step as it determines how you receive your backup files. For a delivery method, you can choose to receive a download link via email, which is quite convenient. For export frequency, if it's a one-time backup, select Export Once. For file type, zip is the recommended format as it's widely supported and compresses the data efficiently. Lastly, set the maximum file size. If your data exceeds this size, it'll be split into multiple files. Once you've set everything up, click Create Export to start the process. The length of time it takes can vary depending on how much data you're exporting. When it's done, you'll receive an email containing a link to download your archive. Simply click the link, download your file, and you're done. You've now successfully backed up your Gmail account, and that's how you back up your Gmail account. Keeping regular backups of your important data is a vital habit to develop, ensuring you never lose access to your critical communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.